Hi friends! So ayan, we went to Lucena or Quezon. So nanggaling tayo sa SM Lucena. Ayan, marami na naman po tayong haul in book sale of SM Lucena. Let's unbox our book sale haul. Ayan, medyo madami na naman po. Papsi. Lagi naman tayong pinaprovide ni Popsi ng budget for our book sale haul. Let's see what is our book sale haul from SM Lucena. Magagamit din po natin yung paper bag for our journal pages, yung ating kinoconstruct na journal pages. First is, ayan, Cultivating Pearls. It's a journal page. Ayan, so, mga activity, reflection. Medyo hindi natin mabasa. Another is Love Notes to Our Mom. So, yan. Mga activity rin po siya. May mga recipe, benefits, sa iba-ibang mga challenges, personal safety. So, yan. We can use it sa ating potentials blog to share with you yung mga lessons that we will get from this book. Another is The Perfection Detox. Take your inner critic, live bravely, and leisure joy. Yan po. The Perfection Detox. Yan. So, yan. Self-help book. Learning to Lead. Yan. Si Warren Bennings, one of the authority in leadership before John Maxwell. So, it's a workbook on becoming a leader. Yan. We can use it on our seminars on leadership. So, may mga activity siya. Walking with God. Yan. Workbook for individual and groups. Si John Eldridge. Kaya natin siya binili. Then, Peace Above the Storm. Freedom from worry, guilt, and fear. And Prayer Storm. It's a study guide. Create your personal prayer storm. Study guide siya. The art that changes the world. Ayan. Dami po nating So, they are very affordable. May 35, may 10 pesos. Kaya, yan. Pinakamahal na 35. Yan, we have, yan, marami tayo 35 pesos. Yan. Majority are 35 pesos. Pero yan, marami naman tayong learnings from these books na magagamit natin sa ating blog, sa potentials. It's a written blog, diba? Yan, so, yan, dagdag sa ating library. Puno na po ang library natin, pero pinupuno pa natin. Anyway, Cathy and Tin will also be using my books. Ayan. So, let's just continue reading po kasi we will grow through reading, no? Reading God's words, mga self-help, leadership. Ayan. Ito we can use sa ating mga training modules that we are developing pa rin sa ating mga consulting work. Ayan. So, yan. Huwag magsawa magbasa, learn new things from other authors, from other people who are influencers during their time. And yun, i-share din natin sa mga subscriber natin, sa ating co-employees, sa team members, no, so that they will be able to use din sa kanilang personal life and work life. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.